Hi, this is Attorney Mike Evelyn coming to you from beautiful St. Croix. I've got the Caribbean Sea in the background there. I've got Calypso with me. We've got a fun clip from Judge Simpson today. Let's do it. Hello. Here I am in my Caribbean hideaway with Jack. He's barking at nothing for no apparent reason, so I thought the safest thing to do is hold him while I do this. I thought I would escape from YouTube for a week, but no. Someone had to send it to me. Thank you, Kevin. Judge Simpson's call is at it again. It's really not even Judge Simpson's fault, but then he's entertaining on top of it. He really is. As usual, they get all their business done, but there's some shenanigans as we go along.
Judge, you're muted.
We're back on the record in the Chase Bailey matter. In this matter, records reflecting at a bench conference in this case. Based upon that bench conference, I will adjourn the pretrial in this matter.
Check out Devon's crazy approach over there on the right. I don't know why the sound's out right now, but it comes back on. And there you have it, Victoria Height, full-on shower mid-court. It's too good. I mean, I don't know. I don't really have anything to add. It's just, wow.
Okay, record should reflect you had a bench conference in this case. All right, on the Neiman matter, what would, well, actually, we had it on a separate matter, I should say. All right, in the Neiman matter, what are we doing?
Your Honor, Ms. Lundy and I have had conversations. We have reached what I think is an appropriate accommodation, but I have not had an opportunity to discuss it with my client. So if we could have that March 2nd date, I think we can get it resolved by then.
I agree, Your Honor.
March 2nd, 2022, 9 a.m. Bond will continue with its conditions.
Thank you. Mr. Neiman, I'll be in touch, okay?
Thank you.
Court calls the case, People versus Jennifer Pollard.
Ashley Lundy for the people.
Is this an arraignment?
It is, and it's Mr. Bernstein's case.
Is that? I have no attorney listed, but is Mr. Bernstein here?
Yeah.
Where is he?
Oh, he just sent me a message.
I don't see him. Oh, there he is.
Good morning, Your Honor. Sam Bernstein with and on behalf of Ms. Pollard. I apologize. I'm in like 5 hearings this morning. I'm here.
And you chose the other ones over me? Never mind. I won't.
You were muted, so I did not catch what anyone was saying about me, but I'm here.
Oh, Ms. Pollard was saying all kinds of stuff, but we defended her. All right. Go
Thanks,
ahead.
Judge. We're here for an arraignment and pretrial, Your Honor. As to the arraignment, please waive reading of the complaint and enter a not guilty plea.
Defendant having waived formal reading, standing mute, the court will enter a not guilty plea. Pretrial in this matter will be adjourned. Will the 2nd or the 16th work for you, sir?
Could we go to the 16th, Your Honor? And could I address bond whenever the court is ready?
No opposition to the 16th. The people would like to be heard on bond as well, Your Honor.
This is, I'm doing this clip primarily because the shower scene, which is outrageous, but then I was watching this and I thought it was pretty entertaining. It's very typical of court call stuff. It's a nice interplay, and the prosecutor, I think, is excellent and to the point. and the defense attorney is doing a great job, and I think the judge makes a good call on it as well. So it's sort of like watching the justice system do what it should be doing in the face of all this crazy.
Before we begin the discussion on bond, what is the alleged BAC in this matter?
0.326.
Yow.
Okay. Accident?
No, Your Honor.
Any priors?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Go ahead, as the bond.
I just wanted to let the court know that Ms. Pollard has been very proactive in addressing alcohol issues that she has. She, immediately following the arrest, enrolled herself in the University of Michigan Addiction Treatment Services and engaged with a pretty comprehensive program through them, which still continues with counseling now. She also attends several meetings a week. I've sent verification of all that to Ms. Londy. So Ms. Pollard has been very proactive in engaging with that, and she continues to do that with a very positive attitude.
Your Honor, that's all admirable and very good. However, I am requesting scram tether given the alleged BAC.
Wasn't
Any response to that?
It's funny. I was just doing the Hilligus case, and they were prattling on, and that happens in various hearings. But this is the absolute counterpoint. Both of them had exactly one important thing to say on behalf of their client. The defense attorney, basically, my client's accepting responsibility and trying to do everything she can, which is a great argument from the defense perspective, and he's trying to reduce bond conditions. The prosecutor has one argument saying, yeah, I do appreciate all that. I really do. And not in a mean way, but at that blood alcohol content, they're a danger to society, and I have to ask for some restrictions. Both excellent arguments said very quickly.
Quite done talking, but
I'm sorry, Mr.
Oh,
Winston.
you weren't? Okay. Go ahead, Mr. Bridge. He's breaking up. I don't know if it's us or...
He's frozen.
You're frozen now, Mr. Bernstein.
can the court hear me now? You guys hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you, but you freeze up. If you want to cut your video feed, that's fine with me. That might help since you're trying to be in like 8 different courts, but only one is important. That's me. But go ahead.
I'm sorry. Can you hear me now, Your Honor?
Yes, we can hear you.
And just for the record, I will acknowledge that Judge Simpson's court takes precedence over the 5 Zoom that I'm currently in right now. I want transcript of that later. So,
Attorney Sam.
I don't know if Ms. Pollard has a giant opposition to scram tethers. I usually ask if the court would consider just sober link with testing 5 times a day. I think or however many times a day is appropriate. I think with Ms. Pollard's level of engagement with treatment, and she actually tests through UMATs as well, I can probably get verification of those tests. But given just the level of engagement, I would ask for a sober link just because of the level of uncomfortableness that goes along with the scram tether.
Defendant's bond will be set at a personal recognizance $35,000 bond. Ma'am, as a condition of your release, there is to be no use of alcohol, recreational marijuana, or any illegal drug. You understand that?
I understand, sir.
All right. The court will order that the defendant is to report over to the Department of Community Corrections for placement on a tether. Given the levels in this case, the court is going to order out of the gate a scram tether. That would not normally be what I would do, but I think given the numbers, I would, Mr. Bernstein, consider that at some later time as we go through this, if it looks like the defendant is doing well, we may roll that back. But I think starting her with the scram, I think that's where I want to be at this point. All right.
We understand, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. Thank you. We'll see you March 16th.
Take care, everyone.
Yeah, what is that?
Can you mute a second?
I don't know what this conversation is, but I'm thinking it's his staff pointing out that one of the defendants is in the shower. I could be wrong, but I don't hear it either.
Okay, we're all back in the shower. All right, court calls the case. People versus Terrell Brown.
Ashley Lundy for the people. Pro per, Your Honor. Arraignment.
Okay. Terrell Brown. Not present. This was properly noticed. We had adjourned it out from the last time. Bench warrant will issue for defendant's failure to appear. Bond will be set in the amount of $5,000. I'll give a 10% privilege. That warrant will issue on the 18th. Calls case people versus Devontae Eaton.
Conrad Siller on behalf of Pittsfield Township.
Good morning, Mr. Siller.
Good morning.
Devontae Eatman.
I saw him. I think he's here.
You did. I see somebody, Devon. Yep. No, that's not him.
Yeah, I'm here.
Well, not the one, but the bond.
Devontae, speak again so you come to my screen, sir. Devontae Eatman. He's got to be one of the ones that's not listed, but I don't.
This picture was on.
Okay. Okay, I got him now, but yeah, I see him. Mr. Eatman, can you respond again, sir? He's trying to do something.
Judge, it appears that he is connected to audio, so his mic may not be turned on.
Yeah, he just muted, but Mr. Eatman, can you unmute and speak to the court? Oh, there he is, kind of.
Yeah, how you doing, Your Honor? You can hear me?
Yes, we can hear you now.
Okay. Yeah, I had some trouble with it.
All right, sir, you are before the court on a citation or a complaint, excuse me, that alleges two separate offenses. The first is failure to stop after a collision. That is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 90 days and/or a $100 fine plus court cost. And also the offense of operating without a license or multiple licenses. That is also a misdemeanor punishable by up to 90 days in jail, $100 fine plus court cost. Do you understand the nature of those charges and the maximum penalties, sir?
Yeah, I understand.
All right. You are not driving, are you, sir?
No, I'm at work, though.
Oh, okay. Understanding all of that, first of all, do you wish to be represented by an attorney?
I don't think I need one.
Really? I got 90 reasons probably why you might. But you go ahead and make your decision.
I would like an attorney then.
Hi, this is Jack with the Sovereign Citizen Patrol, and he asked me to ask you to hit like and subscribe. He'd like some belly scratches.
All right, this is a public defender case.
Okay.
Good morning, Your Honor. Amber here, student attorney, requesting permission to practice under Michigan Court Rule 8.120 under the supervision of Assistant Public Defender Melissa Kleeman.
Permission to practice is granted.
Thank you, Your Honor. We're just going to waive the formal reading of the complaint and stand mute. We're going to ask for the next pretrial date and request a PR bond just due to the nature of the charges and the fact that Mr. Eatman is out of custody. Mr. Eatman, I'm about to put something in the chat, so can you just follow those directions after your case is called?
Or she had to say a lot. Pretrial in this matter will be adjourned to March 2nd, 2022, 9 a.m. or as your Zoom bite indicates. Defendant's bond is set at a personal recognizance $5,000 bond. Sir, as a condition of your release, no alcohol, recreational marijuana, or any illegal drug. You understand that?
Yeah.
All right. And we'll see you then. Thank you.
All right.
Court calls the case of the People versus Victoria Heights.
Conrad Siller on behalf of Pittsfield Township.
Oh.
Your Honor, I did speak with Ms. Height.
Yeah, Miss Hyde, are you dressed? Yeah, you're gonna have to hit mute. Keep the phone up. Okay, she's still in the.
I'm here. Can you hear me?
Yeah, we've
Sorry, I got
you today. Listen, ma'am, let's do this. I think everybody on Zoom now knows that you were in the shower. So why don't you go ahead and finish up and I'll recall the case. Yeah, your phone has been on. So the camera.
Okay, well, yeah, I was turned away.
Yeah, kind of. So let's do this. Let me pass the matter. Let you get yourself kind of situated there, and then we'll call you back. All right?
Okay.
Okay. I'll pass this case.
Thank you.
There we go. Court calls the case. People versus James Johnson.
Ashley Lonnie for the people in the state matter.
You can't make this stuff up. All right.
Assistant Public Defender Melissa Kleeman on behalf of Mr. Johnson. And sir, if you're present, can you unmute and state your name, please? And I've not been able to get a hold of him.
I'll be in the shower. No, I'm kidding. I don't even know why I said that. It just came out. Well, he might be. I don't know.
Possibilities are endless, Your Honor, but it's not here.
I'm not going there with you, Melanie.
I do believe he appeared in his circuit court matters earlier this week, but he's not here today, and this is an OWI it's a very old case, the history of non-appearance, I believe.
Yes.
So
Bench warrant will issue in these matters. In case 608, bond is set in the amount of $10,000. I'll give a 10% privilege on that. That warrant will issue immediately. On the other matter, that is also, it's a driving while license suspended. I'll set his bond at $5,000, 10%.
Well, there you have it. Judge Simpson's call is just, you never know what you're going to get. He's trying to do it. I left a lot of the bits in there so you could see that they were going through the call and they were accomplishing things and rational decisions were being made the entire time. But he's just got crazy day after day. A lot of them do, but his call is especially out there. It's not his fault. You can see Jack is photobombing me. He's napped out on the couch over there. But I got that sent to me, and even from my St. Croix hideout here, I had to do it.
Here at Law Talk, we like to have fun with silly stuff that happens in court, and every once in a while, and completely by accident, I assure you, you might learn something. Thanks for watching.